How are the knees doing, my friend?
Not too bad.
Not too bad. Anything new with them? Anything crazy?
No, I've been working out more, and I think it's been helping.
All right, awesome. How's the hips?
Not too bad, no.
Not too bad. You during the exercise, nothing goes crazy? Awesome. Perfect. Shall we start?
Sure.
All right, go ahead, jump on face down, my friend. Let's adjust. We'll start up here, okay? Take a deep breath in. All the way out. There we go. I'm going to do one pull. Perfect. I'm going to go one more. And last one. Perfect. All right, my friend. I'm going to adjust right here through the drop table. Awesome. All right, let's sneak in right in here. Go push to the side. It's going to give it a little bit. Perfect. Same thing on this side, right? All right, let's head face towards me. I'm going to adjust your low back. Go. Perfect. Let's go to the other side. All right. Can I move you that way for a second? Thank you. All right. Ooh, that moved very nice. All right. On your back, my friend. Let's bend the knee. There we go. And we're gonna squeeze right through here. So far, so good. 3 light passes, that's all we're doing, right? We're gonna release that knee there. One more. There we go, that's it. We'll switch over to the other side. There we go. One more. Awesome. All right, keep holding down. We're gonna pull on the knee, it's gonna release the knee and the hip here all at once. All right, you ready? 1, 2, 1, 3. Perfect. We're gonna do this one, same thing. 1, 2, 1, 3. Perfect. So far, so good?
Yep.
All right, turn around and we'll finish up with the knees, okay? All right, this is gonna feel a little funny. Gonna push right into the knee, all right?
Okay.
All right, I'm gonna find these 2 joints in here. There we go. And same thing on this side. There we go. All right, my friend, give that a shot, see how you feel.
Good.
Good. Anything else?
I don't think so.
Perfect. All right. Awesome. All right, my friend, you should be all good to go. We'll see you in about 2 weeks.
Perfect.